Standard Deviation, November 971, Mike Charlie. Standard Deviation, November 971, Mike Charlie. No luck with that. 10,000 checks.
Yes,
Smoke belt signs are on. Blue belts set right. APU confirm.
thank you.
APU confirm.
If you confirm.
Right, speed check.
Wing 0102, contact approach 120.9.
120.9, 701,
And left-right hydraulic pumps, 12 o'clock, and avionics are set for the approach. So dismissing the bleeds. So ground is 1219er on the standby, and the tower.
Tower should be 18.8.
Yeah. I'll try and be on DFBO. Standard Aviation, St. Thomas, November 971, Mike Charlie. Nothing.
I think you just
Yep.
drinking or something.
Sure, 47 vehicle sunset. 347 train to advisory, frequency approved, squawk B firm.
Squawk is fine, please. It's approved, Captain. Have a good day.
Yep. San Juan Spirit 212 is 1500, climbing 10,000, normal heading. Shrink 212, showing departure to contact, leaving 3000, clear direct to Coney. The 3000 direct to Coney, Spirit 212.
Getting bleeds. Are set and 10,000 checklist complete. Well, the island is inside. I don't see the airport yet.
Sorry, 212, terraining 340, vector 4th climb.
I'm not sure if they'll have any lights on yet.
That's the opposite traffic. See it?
That is 340, Spirit 212. Hello, Mike Charlie, cross Kutha at or above 2,800 cleared. Did you want the ILS or the RNAV, Brick?
I would do the RNAV and cross Kutho at 2800 and or above 971, Mike Charlie.
Mike Charlie, have you cleared the RNAV or my 10?
Clear RNAV 10 approach 971, Mike Charlie.
Alright, we got LNAV, we got VPATH, and the approach code.
Yep.
And then also let us know. That's up here.
Alright.
A bit of a approach.
Yep.
That's what it's going on.
And he's above us already, the other guy.
November 971, Mike Charlie.
Oh, you got calm off for a second? Standard Aviation, November 971, Mike Charlie.
Fuel turns on standby, taxi is at gate.
Was that for November 971 Mike Charlie?
Correct.
We didn't get that. We're about 5 minutes out. We have 4 passengers and we're going to need to refuel quickly and depart as soon as possible.
Fuel truck is on standby. Taxi is at gate.
Perfect, thank you. Alright, FBO notified. Fuel truck is on standby.
Tower 118.8.
That's okay.
Yep, and you can go down 2100. Or just wait for the bypass.
Yeah, I'll just GPS. It's just gonna.
Yep, okay.
That way,
Yeah, and airport in sight.
Mr. Bush is coming right turn 28. Hustle and hold, 28.
Okay.
Go past.
Back 2608, clear direct to Coney.
That's a Coney, American.
Throttle here. PGP.
Yep.
And flip stand.
Lap stand, speed check.
Ups. 20.
Flaps 20. Flaps 20.
Fine, gear down.
Speed check, gear down. And does he want us on tower or?
Yeah, ask him real quick.
Yeah. Approach Challenger 971 Mike Charlie. Do you want us to switch to tower?
No, 1 Mike Charlie, yes please, 118.8.
18.8, 1 Mike Charlie.
Gear down. Sorry, flaps full.
Flaps full, speed check. St. Thomas Tower, good afternoon. Challenger 971 Mike Charlie on the RNAV 10.
Challenger 971, Mike Charlie, St. Thomas Tower, good evening, wind 1209er, runway 10, clear to land.
10 clear to land, 1 Mike Charlie, and we're going to standard aviation.
Roger, expect the left of Foxtrot.
Okay.
Alright, that's as briefed.
Yep.
St. Thomas Tower, Carrier 017.
Alright, before landing, gear down, flaps 30, confirm.
Carrier 017, St. Thomas Tower, hold short runway 10.
And landing clearance, we have it, and exterior lights are all on. Before landing, checklist complete.
Thank you. Norris inside.
Carrier 07, Roger, hold short runway 10.
Yep. Yeah, the other side has a quite a long displaced threshold.
Yeah, it's Porridge dude who has his house there. Actually, I find this island when I was here kind of ghetto. That's my favorite.
500. $100, 50, 30, 20, 10,
Okay, spoilers deployed. Reversers are green. And if you can make the next left on Fox, that would be great.
No problem.
Yep. Short up.
November 1 Mike Charlie, turn left Foxtrot, taxi to park via Foxtrot, monitor ground, point 9er.
Left on Fox, taxi to parking via Fox, switching ground, 1 Mike Charlie.
United 1530, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000, fly runway heading, wind 1209er, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
So 10,000 runway heading for United
I did see
1530.
someone there.
Alright, COM 2, just for monitor. After landing.
Yes, please.
Probes are off, wings anti-ice are off, flaps coming up, and exterior lights are set. You want taxi lights off?
Yes, please.
Taxi lights off.
This guy's sitting there with his chucks on.
And flaps are up after landing checklist complete.
United 1530, affirmative, runway 28, clear for takeoff, 10,000, runway heading.